Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to operate your back seats on your Honda Pioneer QuickFlip4. Start out by opening up the door on the side of the seat that you want to raise, and we're going to need to leave that door open for the entire process. And then just go ahead and pick up on the seat and push it all the way back until you hear it click in. Next, push up on the backrest and then take the clip and undo it from the top hook, and then go ahead and flop the backrest down. And at this point, the seat is set and you can go ahead and shut the door and it's ready to use. And then when you're ready to fold the seat back down, we're going to fold the backrest up again and then push up on it and then go ahead and hook it in on the clip on the top there. And then come around to the back of the seat and you're just going to press on this release mechanism. And while you're doing that with your other hand, push out on the seat and push it down. And it folds down into the bed. And when we're folding the seat down, in order for this mechanism here to seat properly, the door must be open. So you have to remember that. If the door's closed, it's not going to shut properly. So once you have it folded down, you can go ahead and shut the door and you're all set. And that's how you operate the back seats. And the other side is the exact same way. Thanks for watching.